Hello, my good viewers, and welcome back to McRene Digital Skills. In this video, we're going to cover the Microsoft Word course roadmap. By this, I mean everything we expect to learn and cover by the end of this series of the Microsoft Word. Welcome again. This playlist will cover the ICDL Microsoft Word module in details. It is designed for beginners and ICDL candidates. In this course, we'll take a practical step-by-step Microsoft Word training. It is based on ICDL standards, focused on real-life document skills, and it is easy to flow and beginner-friendly. You don't have to be afraid. How are these lessons working? They are short and focused. We're gonna do very short and focused lessons, straight to the point. It's gonna be step-by-step demonstrations, slow mouse movement for clarity, and we'll practice tasks in these sessions. In this course, we're going to cover the Microsoft Word interface as our first lesson. We're going to create and save documents. We're going to text and paragraph formatting, list and basic styles. You're also going to gain more skills in this module. We're gonna work with tables and images. I will show you how to set tables, how to insert images and all that. We're also going to look at page layouts and margins. Just a small hit, by the way, if you're intending to do online writing, this course is for you because we're going to learn a lot here. We're going to study headers, footers, and page numbers, spelling, grammar, and proofreading. We'll get to the advanced and practical skills, of course. After basic, the beginner-friendly, we'll move to the advanced. Here I'm gonna show you how to print documents correctly, sharing and collaboration basics, creating professional documents, and preparing for your ICDL exam if you're a student. We're also going to learn how to use my playlist. Watch lessons in order, pause and practice along, repeat lessons when needed, download practice materials when available. Let's get started, my people. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future video, and please share with your comrades. See you in the next video. Bye.